Did you know that babies born with a cleft lip may face unique feeding challenges right from the very beginning? But with the right guidance, these challenges can be overcome with ease and love. In this video, you'll learn how to effectively nourish babies with cleft lips, how to find the best breastfeeding and bottle feeding positions, and how proper feeding schedules can help promote their health and happiness. Feeding a baby with a cleft lip comes with its own set of challenges. Latching onto the breast or bottle may be difficult, and this can sometimes lead to frustration, longer feeding times, or even fatigue for both the baby and the parents. But here's the good news. With small adjustments in feeding techniques and a lot of love, these challenges can be managed beautifully. Breastfeeding position. Let's start with breastfeeding positions. A semi-upright position, where the baby is sitting up slightly while being supported, can make feeding easier and reduce milk leakage. You can also try the dancer hand position, where you use your thumb and index finger to support your breast while stabilizing your baby's jaw with your other hand. For bottle feeding, specialized bottles and nipples are a game changer. Soft, squeezable bottles allow you to control the milk flow, so your baby doesn't have to work too hard to feed. Now, let's talk about timing. Feeding a cleft lip baby may take longer than usual, sometimes up to 30 minutes per session. Make sure to feed them slowly and frequently, about every 2 to 3 hours, to ensure they're getting enough nutrition without getting too tired. It's important to stay patient and relaxed during feeding. Babies sense their parents' emotions, so staying calm helps them feel secure. Here's something truly life-changing. With proper support, many parents have found that feeding their baby becomes a bonding experience instead of a challenge. Consulting with lactation experts, using feeding aids like palate protectors, and keeping a consistent routine can bring ease and confidence to your feeding journey. Remember, every drop of milk, whether breast milk or formula, is a gift of love and nourishment for your little one. Adapting feeding practices for your cleft lip baby isn't just about nutrition. It's about creating moments of connection and care. Every step forward, no matter how small, makes a difference in their growth and happiness. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who might need it. Explore our other videos for more tips, tricks, and heartfelt advice for parenting challenges.